Well, it is that time of the year again when the summer festival season kicks off with the Coachella Music Festival. Coachella Valley Music and Art Festival is a music and art festival that takes place every year at the Empire Polo Club in Indio, California. It is also known as the Coachella Festival or just Coachella. Paul Tollett and Rick Van Santen came up with the idea in 1999. Artists from rock, pop, indie, hip-hop and electronic dance music as well as art illustrations and sculptures perform on the event's various stages for over 2 weekends. The Coachella Music Festival takes place for over 2 weekends in the spring. It has started from April 14 to 16 and it will again start from April 21 to 23 this year. Fans will go to the desert again this year to see their favorite artist and band play. In January, the highly anticipated lineup of this year's Coachella Festival was revealed, promising to make history with groundbreaking acts. Notably, K-pop sensation Blackpink is set to make waves as the first ever K-pop group to headline the event, while Latin artist Bad Bunny will also make history as the first Latin artist to take the coveted headline spot. Meanwhile, South Asian music fans are flocking to Coachella this year as it offers blockbuster attractions from the community. This year, Indian singer and actor Diljit Dosanjh and Pakistani singer and composer Ali Shetty are among South Asian acts debuting at the festival as they perform alongside international acts. Ali Shetty's Pasuri was the most searched song of 2022 on Google. Meanwhile, Diljit Dosanjh is hugely popular among the Indian diaspora worldwide. He will be the first Punjabi language singer to perform at the festival. This year's lineup also includes South Asian artists like Raveena Arora and Arooj Aftab, BREED, Ritesh D'Souza and Tara May. The elevated profiles of this year's performers makes it a huge moment for fans. Jai Paul, born and raised in England, is a songwriter, record producer and recording artist of Indian descent. Paul became an internet sensation with his demo recording BTSTU. His presence as Coachella this year will mark his first ever live performance. Fans hope this year's festival helps non-South Asian understand the community and its culture better. Along with this year's headliners, Gorillaz, Burna Boy, Ketranada, Blondie, Muna, Doekiai, Metro Boomin, Pusha T, Wet Leg, Eve Tumor and more artists will perform at Coachella on Friday. The festival is set to be at Empire Polo Club in Indio in California, a small town in Riverside County. It is the same place where the festival is held every year. Well, the first weekend of Coachella is already done, but if you want to buy the tickets for the second weekend, you can search on their website. The ticket price starts from $549 for general admission and the VIP tickets cost $1,069. On the Coachella website, you can still buy camping passes and bundles, but you'll have to look elsewhere for the general admission ticket for the festival's first set of shows. Well, if you like the information, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to One India News.